Hello, how are you guys? So today's read is about that if you are planning a date with your partner, my cards will be suggesting you what should you plan and how will it be affecting your relationship, your future, that I will be letting you know in this read. So today's read is about if you are planning a date, then how you should plan it for your future, right? And how will it go? So let's start with the Aries sign. Aries people, what date should you plan? What the card suggests for you, right? I don't know why the cards are sticking so much for with each other in this read. It was not like this. They just stick to each other. Okay. Time travel. Talk about your future together, what's in the store, right? So this is a date that you got to sit together and you got to discuss about the coming future with each other, right? So this is a date which is suggested by the card, that you should sit together, spend a quality time and spend time in discussing the future with each other, so that you can see the compatibility with each other and what is his plans and what are her plans, and with your plans how compatible you people are with each other, how it will be affecting. Let's see what oracle adds to it. It is written that emotional loss. So if there is any kind of a issue or a problem or a conflict going between you both in this relationship, so if you are going to talk about future, or if you are going to talk about your things without your partner, share those things with your partner. How will he or she will survive without you, and how will you survive without him or her? If you are going to discuss all the emotional things with your partner on this date, then I am very much assured that there will be no breakup. You people will be happy together because he or she will understand that without you they will be all alone. You make sure that in this date discuss about your loss and his loss or her loss, right? So let's go to the other sign, what Taurians got to do on this date, right? Let's go. Ask your partner to suggest how you could work on your vices. Ask your partner to suggest how could you work on your vices. So in any kind of a field, if you have any sort of problem on this date, discuss your problems, issues of your life with your partner and ask his or her suggestions about it. Let's see what that thing finally will be affecting your, how it will be affecting your relationship. So it will be like it's written something like passion ignited and memories of love. There were two cards, so I'm taking both. Passion ignited. If you are going to talk about your personal issues with your partner, that your partner is going to be like feel very personal, right? Very personal towards you. He or she will be feeling that yes, you are indulging him or her into your personal sector of life. So this will be increasing the passion in him or her. And memories of love, so these will be the memories of love. This will be the the rock stone of your relationship, these moments when you will be discussing any issue with your partner. So let's go to the Geminis now, what the tarot suggests for the Geminis. How should they be planning their date? It's written, today is your lucky day, you have no trash on the, sorry, I'm just, the words are very messed up. You have no task to perform. Today is your lucky day, you have no task to perform. So it means just relax yourself and just spend time, a quality good time with your partner. Do not discuss your problems with your partner, Geminis, as it was suggested for the Taurians, that do discuss the problem with your partners. But in this right now, it's been suggested, so you should not discuss any kind of issues with your partner or something. Just relax and just have good time, and so that you people can make good memories with each other. right? So let's see how this will be affecting your love life. Let's see what the oracle has to your relationship. Trump and success. So this, if you're going to spend good moments with your partner without any cribbing over the stupid issues or vague issues or over the past issues, then this relationship is going to see the trump and success. So this relationship is going to move forward, and number one card is it, this thing is number one card. So your relationship is will be blooming for the betterment for the future, right, Geminis? So let's move towards the Cancerians. What do cards suggest for the Cancerian people? How should they plan their date? Selfie time, upload as your DP. So you know what, you people should have a selfie together, and if you are going to put as a DP, or if you're going to put it as a DP, then this is going to be really good. Now how this thing, oracle, what does the oracle ask to it, why it is suggesting something like this? So if there were the trust issues, it's suggesting conflict and defeat. So if there were any kind of a trust issues for which you people have suffered so many times, like no connection or no communication, so this period is going to get over. If you are having any kind of a selfie in your phone with your partner, just put it as a DP and then ask your partner for a date or something like that. So this is going to reduce the stress level or non-trust level issues between you guys, right? So this was a suggestion for the Cancerians. Now let's go to the Leos. What does a card suggest a date for the Leos? Let's go to that. Weekend getaway on a short and sweet trip. Weekend getaway on a very short and a sweet trip. So the tarot is suggesting you to go get away on a weekend with your partner for a very short trip, for a day or two, for few hours, or for a weekend, right? Just plan a date with your partner for the weekend thing, right? How it will be affecting your thing? It will be a sacrifice. So I think that your partner or you will be sacrificing something for this date, right? So that sacrifice will be appreciated by your partner, and he or she is going to be like really feeling much more closer towards you after this date, that you have, or he or she has sacrificed something for this date and has come up with something or the other with a good plan. So just plan out something for the weekend and just go with that, right, my dear Leos? So there is a lot of things are going in both of you. I suppose I can sense some kind of an energy of stress level, or you or your partner is not giving enough time into this relationship, Leos. So just take a break for the weekend and go and sacrifice of your time for the work will be appreciated. So just go ahead. So let's go towards the Virgos now. Let's see what Virgos should plan for a date. Date night, venue of your choice. Date night, venue of your choice. So just set up a simple nice date with your venue where you feel happy going, or set up a date to a venue where you people first met, or went to a date for the very first time, right? And or some at place where your partner feels very happy. Just take your person to that place, but it should be of your choice. If you are feeling content going over there, if you are feeling happy going over there, then just go for it. And how this thing is going to affect your relationship, that's the third eye chakra. So it is going to open the eyes or something like this, or open the thing for your partner, that he or she is going to feel positive for you, very positive for you. The third eye chakra means that instinct power will grow up for you, of your partner, for you, right? So just go and plan something like this, my dear Virgos, right? Let's see what the Libras got to do on this their date. It's written morning coffee date plus drop your partner to his or her office or college. So just plan out a early, very early morning date, like for a cup of tea, cup of coffee at the wee hours. Like just call your person or something like this, and at the wee hour that you wish to meet your person at this coffee place, and all of the sudden just call your person or something, like invite your person at a very wee hours, at very wee hours, and invite your person for a coffee date, and then finally just drop your person at his or her college or office. How is going to affect your relationship? Trump and success. Something is really going to change between you two both after this date, really, and is going to affect your relationship for the very, very, very long term. And this relationship is going to be, rejuvenated, really rejuvenated. So just without a shadow of doubt, I'm saying, Librans, be very bold and make this move. Now let's move towards the Scorpios. So let's see how the Scorpios should plan a day. Let's see for them. Get out, go for a walk hand in hand. Get out, go for a walk hand in hand. Tarot is suggesting you, my dear loved ones, just for the long walk and long talks, or no talks but the long walks. Sometimes walking hand in hand without talking a word also means a lot. Silence, let the silence speaks, let the nature speaks. Just enjoy that hand in hand walk for the long hours. So how it's going to affect your relationship? Very nice date, I suppose, Scorpios. Even I feel good walking hand in hand with my partner for the long walks. It's a personal thing. So the oracle is suggesting the power. Here your person, or you will, after this date, I'm saying, if you are going to go for the long walks hand in hand, after this date you both will be having a power to to communicate your feelings to each other without offending his or her feelings, and he or she will be ready to listen to you in every way, right? So I am feeling that this date is something very, see, if I'm sharing my personal experience with you, it means, and this power card comes to you, so this is a reason for a long and strong relationship. So just do it. I don't have actually words how to express this. Why? Because this thing is really powerful, and power has no words. It has just a great impact. So this is going to leave a very great impact on your relationship, both of you. So just go for this date, that long walk hand in hand. Very nice, very amazing suggestion by the tarot. Rightly, Scorpios. So let's go to the Sagittarius. Do it, Scorpio. I would recommend you do it. Just do it. Now let's go to the Sagittarius. What the card is suggesting for you: pen a love letter and snail mail it to the partner. So just pen a love letter. It should be not long enough that the person gets bored. Just snail mail it. So it should be like express. My diamond is saying I love you. So just write I love you only in a love letter and just mail it, because my diamond is suggesting to write down I love you, and just plan up a date, and just write the venue of date for venue of the date, and a place of date, and everything should be mentioned in that small love letter. He or she should not get bored with the long letters. Do not make any kind of a complaints in that particular love letter, but do express your feelings in that love letters that you feel for your particular person. Mind it, there should not be any kind of a complaints or problems mentioned in that love letter. Just feelings of yours and expressions of yours for that particular person. How is going to affect your relationship? Memories of love. So this love letter, I think, will be saved forever in his or her computer or laptop or whatever medium, or phone or something. If you are not going to mail it, if you don't have any kind of a medium to mail it, then just use some kind of a app like WhatsApp or Hike or whatever, and just put it down. Just drop a letter to him or her, and after expressing your love for your partner, just mention a venue of date and a time of date, and I hope this will be adding a lot of good things in your relationship, my dear Sagittarius. So let's go towards now Capricorn. What the date suggested for the Capricorns? Capricorns, a date for the Capricorn. How should Capricorn plan a date? Selfie time. Upload it as your DP. Just be bold and just upload it as a DP, right? And let me add an oracle to it, then I'll be able to explain this much more. Heartache and loss. So it's mentioned that if you people are having some kind of a problems in your relationship or trust issues or something, if you're going to upload your picture as both of your pictures, like a picture of both of you as a DP, then that thing is going to be covered up, right? The passion between you will be ignited again, the love between you will be appearing again in your relationship. That's what I said, that let me have the oracle first. So Capricorns, just do it, be bold, make a fast move, just upload a picture of you and her, him or her, him and her or her, right? And then just do it. Now let's go to the Aquarius. Let's see what a date card is suggesting for the Aquarians. Let's see what date is suggested by the card for the Aquarians. Morning coffee date plus drop your partner to his or her office or college, right? So Aquarians, as in other sign also I got the same card. So call up your person at the very early hours of the morning, meet him or her at the coffee, just spend good time during that period, watch sunrise together, and this is going to affect your relationship. And how is going to affect your relationship? Let's see. Victory and success. So your partner is going to feel victorious, in love with you, and is going to feel successful in love with you, and is going to be very positive for you, all both of you guys. And the card number is 6, and it's very auspicious. And this card number is 24, again 6. So my dear ones, without thinking anything else, just plan up a early morning date with your partner Aquarians. Let's see what the Pisceans got to do. Let's see what the Pisceans got to do. So let's see what the Pisces got to do. Okay. Cuddle and listen to a nice melody. So spend some cuddling time with your partner and listen to some nice music of your choice also, of your partner's choice also, right? So cuddling and enjoying the moments together, sitting down together, having a nice glass of wine or a coffee or something like that, and just enjoying the company of each other with the song without saying a word to each other. Let the songs, let the melodies sing for you, let the song say it for you both. Just mention that this song is for you, or this song is, let your partner also say that whatever he or she wants to say to you in the form of music, right? Silence is must in this thing, no complaints, no problems to be discussed during this period. So let's see what oracle adds to your thing is something. Intuition. So I think your partner will be feeling that okay, now let's get to another step. He or she will be having an intuition of settling down with you, moving forward with you in the next step of life, Pisceans. So just go for this date and have a very nice moments together. And if you like this reading, then do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.